Hi guys, welcome to my channel V2 Excel. I'm Akanksha and I'm here with a template where you can see that here I have selected year 2020 and here I have selected the month December. Year 2020 and the month December has been populated, and here you can see the count. For example, this is a working day. I have assumed non-working days as weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and some of the holidays which will be non-working days. So what I'm doing, I'm excluding those non-working days and putting a count of 1 2 3, like for the 1st of December 2020, it's a first working day. Okay, come to 4th of December 2020, it's a fourth working day. Then randomly come to 10th of December, it's eighth working day. So if you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, it's 10th day, but it's eighth working day because we have two weekends here. Okay, so let's say it's 25th December, Christmas, and it's a holiday. So here I have 25th December, it's Friday, but it's not counting in working day because it's mentioned as a holiday in my list. So after 18th, 28th is a working day. So I have made this template where you can check which working day the day is of any year of any month. For example, 2019 December, and since I have not mentioned December 19 as a Christmas as a holiday, so it's not showing. Let me do this. 25th December 2019, and it's Christmas. Okay, see, it has come Wednesday and the count has changed. So this template I have made with the major help of if function, network day function. Also, I have used the data validation for drop down, and some formatting has done. Text function is also being used. You can see text function being used. Network day function is being used if nesting is being used. If you want this template, I have given the link in the description. You can go to that link and can download it from there, and you can use it. It's totally free download. It's totally editable. If you don't have any holidays, you can just delete those holidays, and if you have holidays in those year or month, you can just mention here and it will count. Okay, so let me explain you the network day function, which I have used in template, and you can say it's a base of this whole template. So network days work on three arguments: start date, end date, and a holiday range. So holiday range argument is optional. It's not necessary that you always include it, and these two arguments are compulsory. So let's start with an example. For example, I have a project which shall start on 1st of January 2020, and I have to get it completed by 29th of February. Fine. So if you see, the number of days between this period are 59. Fine. These are 59 days, but it includes some holidays if you have, and Saturday, Sunday, of course. So I want to know how many working days are here. So let's assume there are no holidays, only Saturday, Sunday are there. So network days always assume Saturday, Sunday as non-working day. So that's the base of this formula. So is equal to net work days. I'll take my start date, I'll take my end date, and I'll close because the third argument is optional and I won't take it as of now. So there are 43 days. Okay, so it have included those weekend. So the duration have actual 59 days, but the actual working days Monday to Fridays are 43. Okay, now let's say I have 26 January 2020. I'll use net work days. This is my start date, this is my end date, and this is my holiday. Fine. Okay, nothing has changed. Why? Because because 26th January must be a Saturday or Sunday only. Check it. Okay, so it's already included in this. So let me take some random any day. January 27 January 2020. Okay, so let's say these two are my holidays. So I can have a list of holidays also. So I'll just select that range. So I'll select that range and see it's 42 because 27th is Monday. Let's say I have more holidays. 3rd of uh, February 2020. Okay, and 41 days. You can also do if you don't want to drag it, always just do command T in MacBook and Control T in Windows. Okay, so you will get a table. I'll name it at holidays. So now every time I add any day, let's say 24th Jan 2020. See, it automatically changed F4 to F7. I'll add 27 February 2020. See, it's dynamic now. Fine. So you can change it like that and it will work. So this is a very important function, network days. You will come to know how many working days are here. So this is it. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like and share. And if you have any query or any requirement regarding Excel, please contact me at my email, or you can comment in a comment section also. Thank you. Bye. Take care.